All right.
All right.
All right. So we try to go the chest sliding ideas. So pretty much you just go this way and that way. But we try to go feel like hold a box.
Okay.
So this is a part of a box too. So you pick it up with the elbow. You pick it up and go to the side and you drop. Then come back. And this one the same thing, like this, pick it up. And this, like, or you just pick it up here and go slide aside and then bring them over. And this. So you gotta do heads isolated, almost like this kind of idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are your hips also isolated?
You try not the hips not moving, just you
Hips
tilt
not
it.
moving.
You just tilt it. And then you
Oh.
pick it up. This, you tilt the body. Yeah, so you kind of lean a little bit like this. But at the same time, you just go like this. So this part is moving. Because this part is not moving that much because too close to the spine.
Ah,
So the body tilt helps,
move that spot.
move this part. And then plus you're doing the tilt it a little bit like that. Like a slide it aside.
Ah.
Then, so you diagonal a little bit and go this and pick it up and this. Yeah. So your center changing. It's like a center here and then doing like this.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's different. But you go tilt it, like you lean a little bit. Then that's the center. So you can go this, and that way, and then I come back.
Ah, and then center it back up.
Yeah. So you center here, and it go the head make a limit. You can go nowhere almost. Then you just go here and then come back.
Ah.
Right? But you if you want to do square of the chest, like a center, like a square like this, and then just move like this, or you're out of the frame for this one.
Gotcha. Now you're making the center on the
then you
right.
center here. Then you start doing this one.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
You're just setting up different. Okay,
Yeah.
left, right, middle.
So that means you can do this part to this part to
Okay,
this part.
to that part. Ah, okay.
Because here, and you just tilt it a little bit. Mean you're still in the center. Then you make it squares.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, because I know you teach the lean.
Yeah, you lean.
In like a separate thing. So we're just mixing in the lean with.
Yeah, lean and then make it the center with your chest.
With your
not
chin?
chest. Your chin, neck, whatever. And then go this and this and this.
So when you do the lean, your head isn't isolated in that spot. It should move with it.
If you move with it.
Okay. And then when you come
Yeah.
up and go to the middle, so this is like now middle.
Now that was middle here.
Right.
For this part.
Aha. But for like centered, it's to the right.
Yeah. Then you can make it like this is the center, right? So I'm a then
Lean.
right. Then you can make a square like this. Like
Right.
Here and that.
And then there.
Yeah. So you can do completely center line to this side of the square.
Okay.
And this side of the square.
And then you can just like isolate back to the middle.
So like a middle to just lean it helps and then make it like this. So that means the center is still there. So the head is there. Then you go like this. Right? But you mix to the lean and then that's the center. Then go boom, 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 boom.
Cool.
Movement's the same, but you can do the different squares.
Gotcha. It's just a simple lean.
Yeah. So you can mix with your teddings. So you center here, right? So just do this one.
Oh, so arms are.
Yeah, this one's a fixed point.
Oh.
Then this, or you lean, and then you fix one like this.
That's cool. And then you can.
Yeah, you do just bring it back, then this and that. So you can do different block here, different block there, different block there.
Oh fuck. Oh, that's tough.
Yeah.
Oh, and you could do level changes and still.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
The what do you call it? You can use the settings, of course. You can do the waves.
Ah. Okay.
So wave, you set up the going to the body waves, include doing in this side or whatever. So you in, then the waves come, but it's still it's there because I'm in already. Right? Then so boom, 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 and go this one. But you can go here to this side.
Oh,
so boom,
and then
boom,
lean.
And then the end of the dot square, like this side, not.
Now
here.
you're on that square. Oh shoot.
So boom, boom, boom.
Whoa.
And come back. And this.
So you are leaning to get an
now
extra.
leaning there.
Cool.
Then you can play around this ones now, so that this squares like a boom, boom, boom.
Okay, cool. That's awesome. So you just have a simple, I would say, 3x3 box where you can go.
this cube and this cube, or that line, this line, this line.
Cool. I wish I could like draw a diagram right now.
No, right? But I don't know how to do it this shit.
Shit.
All right, so this is a chest slide idea. Kind of short, but
Yeah,
I
that's
hope
good.
this helps.
Good
All
info.
right.
Nice.